5 most beautiful Rosella birds. Number 1 on the list is the pale-headed Rosella. This is a medium-sized striking parrot that is native to eastern and northeastern Australia. These birds have a bright pink forehead, cheeks, and crown, giving them their namesake. Rest of its body is green with a blue-violet patch of color on their wings and a bright red beak. They feed primarily on fruit and vegetation. Number 2 is the crimson Rosella. This is a species of parrot native to eastern and southeastern Australia. It is a medium-sized parrot with predominantly red, blue, and yellow plumage. The male and female are similar in plumage, though the female has a more blue-gray bill. The head is dull red with blue-black blotches. The wings are blue and the tail is predominantly red with some yellow and blue at the tips. Number 3 on the list is green Rosella. This Rosella is medium-sized parrot native to Australia with vibrant green and yellow plumage. This species is found in open woodlands, coastal areas, and agricultural areas, and is commonly seen in urban parks and gardens. It is also kept as a pet. Its diet consists of seeds and fruits, and in captivity they may eat pellets and vegetables. Fourth in the list is Eastern Rosella. This Rosella is a species of parrot native to Australia. It is bright red with blue and yellow cheeks and a yellow head. It is a small to medium-sized parrot, weighing up to 130 grams. In the wild, they feed mainly on seeds and fruit. They are highly intelligent, social birds and can make great pets. They are also easily trained and can learn to talk. Number 5 is Little Rosella. These are medium-sized birds with white color. They have short gray beaks and dark eyes. They are found in open woodland in eastern and southeastern Australia. They feed on seeds, fruits, and insects, which they locate with their strong sense of hearing. These often gregarious birds travel in pairs or small groups.